Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can rewrite the text on Canva using the new feature called Magic Write. So in this example, I have this design and this is something that I'm going to share on a social media account. And this is just sharing some fun fact, but unfortunately, this paragraph, which is the main content of this design, this unfortunately is a bit too long. You can see that this is overlapping the other text and this is not looking great. So I'm going to use an AI feature like ChatGPT, but it is available directly in Canva. What you need to do now is you have to select on the text box that you want to rewrite and then navigate to the Magic Write option. And then here you will see some presets that you could choose. You could choose to continue the writing, shorten, rewrite, make it more fun, make it more formal. And there is also a brand voice. There is also a custom prompt if you want to, but I just want to use one preset from here. So my goal is simple. I just want to rewrite this and make it a bit shorter. That's why I'm going to select this shorten option. Then just wait and it eventually will generate the text. And when it's done, you have the option to either add the text below the original text, or you can also just replace the whole text. Click this button or just press enter. And there you have it. Now the text is much shorter, which is exactly what I want to have in this design. And you can see that now it's not overlapping the other element in this page. So that's basically it. That's how you can use the Magic Rewrite feature in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful.